Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are feeling happy and ready to learn. It is great to see all of you again. Today we are going to have a very interesting English lesson. We are going to learn new vocabulary, practice speaking, and think about how we can take care of our planet. Before we begin, let's remember our classroom rules. 1. Please listen carefully when someone is speaking. Raise your hand if you would like to answer a question. Respect our classmates and their ideas. Try to speak English as much as possible. Remember that making mistakes is okay because mistakes help us learn. And finally, have fun and participate in every activity. Is everybody too ready? Wonderful. Let's start with a short warm-up. Please look at the pictures on the screen very carefully. Take your time. Don't answer yet. Just observe everything you can see. Look at the first picture. Now the second one. Now the third one. And finally the last picture. What do you notice? Do these places look clean or dirty? Do the people seem to be taking care of nature? Think quietly for about 30 seconds. You don't need to speak yet, just think. Maybe you can notice trash on the ground. Maybe you can see many trees being cut down. There are many different things happening in these pictures. Now, turn to the person next to you and share what do you noticed. Tell your partner which picture you think shows the biggest environmental problem. Explain why you think it is the most serious. Remember to listen carefully while your partner is speaking. One student speaks first and then the other student speaks. Very good. I can see everyone sharing ideas. Keep talking. Use complete sentences if you can. Now let's hear some answers. Who would like to share with the class? Those are very interesting opinions. As you can see, there are many environmental problems around us. Some affect the air, some affect the water, some affect forests and animals. Okay, today we will learn how to describe these problems in English and, most importantly, how we can help solve them. Now let's learn some important vocabulary. Please look at the first picture. Repeat after me. Leader. Again, leader. Excellent pronunciation. Litter means trash or garbage that people leave on the ground instead of eating a trash can. Can you think of places where you have seen litter? Maybe in a park, on the street, near a river. Good thinking. Now let's look at another picture. Repeat after me. Air pollution. One more time. Air pollution. Excellent. Air pollution happens when smoke and harmful gases make the air dirty. Factories, cars, buses, and fires can cause air pollution. Dirty air is not good for people, animals, or plants. Now look at the next picture. Repeat after me. Water pollution. Again, water pollution. Very good. Water pollution happens when rivers, lakes, or oceans become dirty. Sometimes people throw garbage into rivers. Sometimes factories pollute the water. Dirty water can hurt fish, plants, animals, and people. Let's continue. Repeat after me. Recycle. Excellent. Recycle means using materials again instead of throwing them away. For example, paper, plastic, glass, and metal can often be recycled. Recycling helps reduce waste and keeps our environment cleaner. Next word. Plant trees. Very good. Trees are very important because trees give us oxygen, they provide homes for animals, they help keep the air clean. Planting trees is one of the best ways to help our planet. Last vocabulary word. Save water. Repeat. Save water. Wonderful. Saving water means using only the water we need. For example, we can turn off the tap while brushing our teeth. We can take shorter showers. We can fix leaking faucets. Every drop of water is important. Now let's review all the vocabulary together. Repeat after me. Leader, air pollution, water pollution, recycles, plant trees, save water. Excellent. Now let's practice using complete sentences. Listen carefully. There is litter in the park. Repeat. There is litter in the park. Very good. There is air pollution in the city. Excellent. There is water pollution in the river. Great. We should recycle. Wonderful. We should plant trees. Excellent. We should save water every day. Fantastic. Now I will show different pictures. Think about which sentence matches each picture. Remember to use all new vocabulary. Very nice work. Now it's your turn to practice. Please take your worksheet. Look at the first sentence carefully. Read it silently. There is. Look at the picture. What do you see? Think before answering. Let's read the complete sentence together. Great. Now look at number 2. Look carefully at the picture. We should. Let's read the sentence together. Excellent. Now number 3. We should trees. Look at the picture. Think carefully. Very good. Let's check all the answers together one more time. Remember that reading complete sentences helps improve your pronunciation and fluency. Okay? Now let's complete the others. Now it's time to speak English with your partner. Each pair will receive one picture. Look at your picture carefully. Talk about what you see. Remember to use the expressions on the word. There is, we should. You can also add more information if you want. For example, there is a lot of litter in the park. Or we should recycle and throw trash in the bin. Or there is water pollution. We should keep rivers clean. Remember, when your partner is speaking, pay attention. Then respond using another complete sentence. Try to speak clearly. Don't worry if you make a mistake. The important thing is to practice. I will walk around the classroom to listen and help if you need me. Remember to use your best English. Before we finish today's lesson, I would like you to complete a short exit ticket. This activity helps me understand what you learned today. It is very simple. You have to write on environmental problem, then write one solution. For example, problem air pollution, solution plant trees, or problem litter, and the solution is recycle. Remember to write neatly, take your time, and read your answer before giving to me to check your answers. Excellent. Now let's think about everything we learned today. We learned new vocabulary, we practiced the speaking, we talk about ways to protect our planet. Now it is time to reflect. Look at the three colors, and green means I can talk about environmental problems. Yellow means I understand some ideas, but I need more practice. Red means I still need help. Think honestly about your learning. There are no right or wrong answers. Everyone learns at a different pace. Choose the color that best describes how you feel today. Thank you for being honest. That helps me know how I can support you in future lessons. Remember that learning English takes practice, and every lesson helps you improve a little more. Before you go, let's talk about your homework. You will complete your worksheet called My Green Promise. On the worksheet, write 10 things that you promise to do to help the environment. After writing your promises, draw a picture to show one of your ideas. Use your creativity. I'm looking forward to reading your promises and seeing your drawings. Remember, every small action can make a big difference. Even simple actions helps protect our planet. Excellent work today, everyone. I'm very proud of your participation, your effort, and your English. Today you learned new words, practiced speaking, and thought about how to take care of the environment. Remember that protecting the earth is everyone's responsibility. Small actions repeated every day can make our world cleaner and healthier. Keep practicing your English at home, and don't forget your Green Promise homework. Thank you very much for your attention and participation today. Have a wonderful day. See you next class. Goodbye, everyone.